Adding nice devices for blinds and rolling shutters. You can associate Core with all nice automations for blinds and rolling shutters using the My Nice Welcome app, making sure you are within radio range of the transmitter, controlling the automation you want to add. Take the smartphone and the transmitter, controlling the automation. Open the My Nice Welcome app. Go to the Settings menu. Select the Home registered previously. Select the Core accessory connected previously. Select Add Device. Select the type of device you want to add. Press New Automation. Enter the name to be used for the new automation, Living Room Blind, and press Save. Press Select Type to select the type of automation you want to control. The app proposes one or more icons to be assigned to the automation. Select the icon you want. Detect keys. Press Detect to start the procedure. Take the transmitter on which you want to save the automation and select the corresponding channel. Press the Stop key. Press the Stop key again. Core saves all the position keys present on the transmitter channel: up, stop, down, and any intermediate heights. When pressed for the second time, the key has been correctly detected. Try a test action to make sure the operation has been successful. When the key detection procedure is over, press Next to save. The automation has been added correctly. To activate the automation from your smartphone, select System Home. Here you will find the details saved with the keys for remote activation.